Tax season, the most wonderful time of the year. Said no business owner ever. If you're like most people, you're probably digging through emails, you're hunting for receipts, and you're praying your computer doesn't crash right before you hit submit. I'm Ross Whitmore from Northern Technology Services in Petoskey, Michigan, and today I'm giving you a survival guide for prepping your tech for tax season so you can focus getting that refund and not getting a migraine. So, first things first, start with the basics. Create a dedicated 2025 taxes folder. 2026. Ooh, take me a minute to get used to that. Folder on your computer or cloud drive. Now, move all those relevant documents, your W-2s, your 1099s, your receipts, your folders, your invoices, and bank statements into that folder. Pro tip, don't wait until the night before your appointment to realize that half your files are still in your downloads folder with names like scan001.pdf and final v3. If you're using accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, export those reports now. And if you use spreadsheets, make sure they're up to date. If you're still using a shoebox for your receipts, well, at least make it a digital shoebox. So, now, nothing strikes fear into the heart of a business owner like the phrase hard drive failure, especially, as we get into tax season here. Before you send anything to your accountant, make a backup. Use cloud storage like OneDrive, even Google Drive or Dropbox. Use an external hard drive. And for bonus points, do both. Remember, if it's not backed up in at least two places, it's not really backed up. Now, tax documents are important and way too important to risk losing to a coffee spill or a random ransomware attack. Update your security. Tax season isn't just busy for accountants. This is prime time for scammers. Make sure your antivirus is up to date. Turn on multi-factor authentication for your email and your accounting software. Be extra suspicious of emails claiming to be from the IRS, your bank, or your payroll provider, especially if they ask for login info or attachments. If you get an email that makes you nervous, don't click. Call the sender directly using a number you trust, not the one in the email. Remember, the IRS will never email you asking for your password. If they do, it's probably Bob from Nigeria. So now check your software and check your passwords. Tax software, accounting apps, even your operating system, they all need to be updated before you start plugging in that sensitive data. Install all those pending updates for your tax and accounting software if you're still using an on-prem app. Update your operating system, yes, even if it's annoying. Use a password manager to create strong, unique passwords for your financial accounts. Do not reuse the same password for your tax prep software and your fantasy football league. We see you, password 123. Now, go paperless and organized for next year. I know. Paperless. Crazy, right? Digital. It's nuts. But let's try to make next tax season less painful. So, scan the paper receipts and store them in your taxes folder you're making for the year. Use apps or your phone's camera to digitize documents as you get them. Set up simple folder rules, receipts, invoices, bank statements, payroll, etc. Pro tip, name files with a date and a short description, like 2025 February 1 Office Depot receipt. The future you is going to thank the past you. It's going to create never mind. All right. Talk to your accountant. Make it easy for them. Accountants, they're superheroes. But even they can't read your mind or your desktop full of the files called stuff. Share your tax folder via secure cloud link or encrypted email. Don't just put those PDFs as an attachment. Don't send that over regular email. Please ask your accountant what format they prefer for reports and documents. And if they're asking for that plain email, I'd find a new accountant. A little organization goes a long way. Your accountant will spend less time untangling your files and more time finding your deductions. Have a tech emergency plan. Stuff happens. Computers crash. Files get corrupted. Know who to call if your tech melts down mid-tax prep. Keep your IT provider's number handy. 844-959-5040. Don't be afraid to ask for help. A 10-minute call could save you hours of stress. And, well, maybe some penalties, too. We don't like those. Now, tax season doesn't have to be a tech nightmare. With a little prep, a few backups, and some basic security, You can breeze through it without breaking a sweat or breaking your computer. I know it sounds tempting, don't do it. And if you need help getting your digital ducks in a row, backing up your data, or just want to make sure your tech is ready for tax time, give us a call at Northern Technology Services, 844-959-5040, or visit ntsmanage.com. We can't do your taxes, but we'll make sure your tech doesn't make it harder. So now, make sure to stay tuned and follow us as we continue to tackle some tech headaches with a little bit of humor and some good practical advice. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching our NTECH tips, and remember, don't wait until April 14th to get your tech together. You got time. We're just getting started. You got this. Thanks for watching.